Okay, let's take a look at lesson number 40, and this is entitled Abstract Fractional Equations. You're going to love these. These are awesome. Okay, look at 40.1. Solve for x. I have a over x plus m over a equals c. Okay, the first step is to multiply every numerator by the least common multiple denominator. Okay, so what do I have? What's the common denominator? It's going to be ax, right? So I'm going to times each one of these fractions by ax. Okay, so I'm going to have a over x times ax plus m over a times ax equals c times ax. Okay, so the x will cross cancel. I'm going to have a squared plus the a will cross cancel, mx equals cax. Okay, so now I have no more denominators. The next step is to get the x that I'm solving for all to one side. In this case, I'm going to subtract mx from both sides. So I'll have a squared equals cax minus mx. Okay. Then we're going to factor out the x. Factor out the x. A squared equals x on the outside, a minus m on the inside. Okay, we're almost there. We finished by dividing both sides by ca. I forgot the c there, didn't I? I thought this was the parentheses. Ca minus m. So I'm going to divide this side by parentheses ca minus m, close parentheses. I'm going to divide this side by c over a, or sorry, parentheses ca minus m. And so my answer is going to be a squared over ca minus m. There's no parentheses there because there's no process to do. There's no multiplication to do or anything, okay? And so this would cross cancel. I have x equals a squared over ca minus m. So to review, I'm going to multiply each one of these by a numerator of the least common multiple, ax times this, ax times this, ax times this. Once I've done that, I'm going to have a squared plus mx equals cax. Now I get all the x's to one side, so it's easier to move them all to this side than this side, because I still have to move that if I did. So I'm going to subtract mx from both sides. So a squared equals, let's make that a little bit smaller, cax minus mx. The next step is I factor out. What do these have in common? They all have x. I can put x on the outside. I can put ca minus m on the inside. And then I divide both sides by ca minus m. And then I have a squared over ca minus m equals x. And I solve for x. Okay? So not too difficult. That's the process for lesson number 40. You'll notice I slowed down your problems. I gave you a pretest. On the back of your pretest, I included the answers for that pretest. You'd be wise to try those out. And then the week after is your test, which will be your test grade entry for your fourth quarter. Reach out, give me a call. And I know you don't like contacting me, you like handling it on your own. But if you need help, I want you to reach out and I want to help you out, okay? All right, so that is lesson number 40 for Algebra 2, okay?